We have created the song model. Now it's time to create the documentation for create endpoint. First of all, you must have a paths object. The first path is /songs. Let me write the documentation for post endpoint. I need to specify the post object. Let's define the tags. I have already created a tag for songs. I'm going to specify the songs tag. You can also specify the summary API for songs endpoint, or you can say that API for create song API endpoint. You can also describe the description. I'm going to put description create new song in DB in database. Let's create the parameters array. Here I will define all the parameters for this endpoint. There is only single parameter. I'm gonna pass it as an object. The name of the parameter is song. You can also describe that description song params to create new song. You can also write the name. I'm gonna write it song. I also need to specify the input. I will get this request object from the request body. So input should be body. Yes, it is required field. I need to wrap code inside the object here. Now it looks good. Let's define the schema. I have already created the model here, so I need to add the reference for this song model. Definitions, song. Here it will produces a JSON object, so I'm going to specify that JSON. It can be an array. I also need to specify the responses. If song is created successfully, I'm going to send the 200 response. Let me add the description. New song created. Here you can also specify your schema. I'm going to use the same stuff. Everything is good. Let's try to test that. Cool. Here we have songs endpoint. These are the properties for the song model. If you have created the song, you will see this message, new song created, and here is our example value. Let's try to create the new song. I don't need to provide the ID. I'm going to create the new song. Name of love. You can also specify the URL. Let me provide the rating. I'm going to create the new song. Cool. A new song has created. Here is our response body. A newly created song.